All right, today we're going to talk about a massive shift in how we think about money. We're moving beyond just pinching pennies and instead learning how to actually play the game to win. This is all about knowing the real limits of frugality and tapping into the incredible power of going on offense. So let me ask you something. Is your financial plan only covering, half the field? Think about it. You might have a rock-solid defense, but if you never, ever try to score, you can't actually win. We're about to dive into that other, much more powerful half of the equation. Okay, let's jump right in. And first off, I gotta say, if you've already put in the work to build a solid financial defense, wiping out debt, locking in a budget, setting up that emergency fund, that is fantastic. Seriously, that's the foundation. It's what keeps you from losing. But a foundation by itself doesn't build the skyscraper. And that brings us to a tough, but really essential mathematical truth. You just cannot save your way to massive, life-altering wealth. Being frugal is an absolutely vital tool for getting stable, for surviving, but it's not a tool for huge growth. Why? Because it has a built-in limit. And the math on this is actually super simple, but it is profound. When your whole focus is on cutting expenses, you're working against a hard floor, right? You can only cut so much before you hit your basic needs for survival. You can't spend less than zero. But when you switch your focus to increasing your income, well, there is no ceiling. The potential is, theoretically, infinite. So it's time to play offense. Let's really lean into this sports team idea. Your defense is crucial. It prevents losses, it keeps you in the game. But your offense, that's what scores the points. That's what wins the championship. We're shifting our entire mindset from just don't lose to actively go win. And you can see the two distinct roles laid out right here. The goal of defense, it's simply to prevent loss. The actions are things like budgeting and managing your debt. But the goal of offense, it's to win. And the main action there is to aggressively expand your ability to generate capital. They're two totally different jobs, and you need two completely different playbooks. This really boils down to how you use your time, your most valuable asset. Let's make it super practical. You could spend 5 hours a week, every week, meticulously clipping coupons to maybe say, $50? Or you could invest those exact same 5 hours into learning a new skill that could earn you an extra $500. I mean, which one is a better use of your time to get you to your goals? And that idea leads us straight to the star players of your financial offense, high-income skills. This is the how-to. This is how you actually score points. It isn't about just wishing you had more money. It's about strategically building the skills that actually command it in the marketplace. So what is a high-income skill? It's an ability that the market values so much, so disproportionately, that it lets you decouple your time from your money. You're creating value that scales way beyond just the hours you put in. And that right there, that is the absolute game changer. So what are we talking about here? Let's look at some real-world examples to get the gears turning. We're talking about things like coding, which literally builds our digital world, or copywriting, using words to persuade and sell. Things like advanced sales, digital marketing, or complex financial modeling. These are all skills that either solve really expensive problems or create massive opportunities for businesses. This question, this right here, represents the entire defensive mindset. It's a question that comes from a place of scarcity. It's about making your world a little bit smaller, about pulling back and protecting what you have. And it's important, don't get me wrong, but it is limited. And now, look at this shift. This is the offensive mindset. This question comes from a place of abundance, of creation. It's about expanding your world, about seeing growth and opportunity everywhere. And just notice the scale. It's an order of magnitude larger. This simple tweak in the question you ask yourself, it changes everything. Now, hold on. This isn't about just throwing your defense out the window. Not at all. The ultimate strategy, the one that really puts you on the fast track, is about running both plays at the same time. It's the dual engine strategy, where a powerful defense actually enables an even more aggressive offense. So here it is, the championship playbook. Step 1, you maintain that strict defense. You protect the gap between what you earn and what you spend, and you have to consciously fight lifestyle creep as your income grows. Then, step 2, at the exact same time, you push a relentless offense, constantly focused on increasing your cash flow with those high income skills. And this is the payoff. This is what happens when those two engines are firing in perfect sync. The combination of a high-earning offense meeting a disciplined defense creates this incredible cycle where your wealth doesn't just grow, it compounds at what the source calls a terrifying speed. So, we'll leave you with this question. You know how important defense is, but now you understand the incredible power of offense. It's time to get in the game. So what's the very first play you're going to call for your financial offense? What skill are you going to start building this week?